Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'll show you how to find the best-selling accessories in the Pop Mart app. First, open the Pop Mart app on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's available on both iOS and Android. Make sure you're logged in so everything runs smoothly. Once you're in, tap on the Shop or Store tab at the bottom. This is where you'll see all the categories and items Pop Mart offers. Now here's the trick. Tap the Filter or Sort button, usually found at the top right of the product listings, and from there choose Best Selling or Hot. This will automatically rearrange the items to show the most popular accessories first. If you want to narrow it down, you can go into specific categories like keychains, pins, or figures. This sorting feature still works in each category, so you'll see what's trending. So next is checking the ratings and reviews. Tap on an item to check reviews, ratings, and how many people bought it. That's a quick way to confirm if something's really popular. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.